Good afternoon, Crafty Peeps. Let's go ahead and get started on our memory Dex card tutorial. So anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you some of the stuff that I'm using first. So first of all, I am using the Crafty City Capri kit that Archana sent me. And I'm using, maybe I might use some of these flowers from a past kit that she gave me. These are Prima... Let's see, sorry, it's like covered. It just is Prima Flowers, Florida Prima. Item number 632540. I really feel like these are, island type flowers. So I really like these. I'm also using my Sizzix Thinlits vacation die. This is item number 661288. Also, Debbie Adams sent me this beautiful little Dex card. I'm not really sure where she got it from, but she sent it to me for my birthday last year, and so now this is a perfect chance to use for her challenge that she's having. So let me explain that really quick. So Debbie Adams is Creative Life by Deborah, or you can just look her up on YouTube at Debbie Adams. Also, this is for her 3,000 subby giveaway. She is giving away a Prima Dolce gift. Okay, so it's got a lot of cute little items in there. You definitely want to check them out. So basically she wants us to make a spring themed memory Dex card, and I feel that the colors of this collection definitely fit that. And also it's pretty much spring/summer in Florida all the time. So and then on the back of this, I actually cut out two. I cut out one using the Capri paper, and then one using a solid white paper, so I can write my answers to the questions that she asked for us to answer on the back. So I hope that makes sense. Definitely check out her YouTube. Again, that's Debbie Adams, Creative Life by Deborah. Okay, so I will have all her links down below. Also, I cut out with this, where is that paper? This is actually from Michaels. It's a rose gold color, and my friend Tiffany McGill, Crafted Like a Boss, sent this to me, and I'm so thankful. I'm using the heck out of it. So my idea is to make a shaker card. I've grabbed some pieces here. I'm using two little hearts here, and I just taped them across. I lined it up as much as I possibly could to get it centered, right? And then I used some washi tape to go ahead and create that little window effect. And I haven't really decided what I'm going to do. I'm also using a piece of acetate, obviously. To have a little shaker window, you're going to need acetate. So we're going to see how this is going to work, because this is a pretty thin edge. All right, and I did get some foam tape from the Dollar Tree that's about 1/4 of an inch, but still, this is even smaller than that. So we're going to see how that's going to work. But I was thinking of this. So, oops. Oh, where is... Okay. So I was kind of thinking of doing this. So I'm going to glue these two together, right? And then putting this somewhere down here. Maybe. I don't know. I really love this. This is from Renee Bouquet. This is one of her beautiful chipboards with an edge. It doesn't say which one it is, but just this beautiful board. So, and then I cut out two different words for beach. I was thinking maybe this one, but then again, it kind of clashes. I mean, it goes too well with that. So I also did it in the rose gold. So we'll see how that works. I could just do it up here. I'm not sure. I don't know. But anyway, let's go ahead and just get this going. First of all, I want to change this to a pink color. So I'm going to grab a sponge. And I know I'm just using the back of this because I know I don't need like any kind of special paper. Let's see, actually I could just use this. And I'm going to get Rosy Cheeks, Sun-Kissed, and Hollyhock. And these are all Simon Says Stamp. Okay. I'm going to start out with my darker color first. And I'm going to go around my little edges. I'm going to create a little ombre effect. And this is how easy it is to use these little starfish, right? These little chipboard pieces by Renee Bouquet. So they're definitely easy. We're going to go in with our middle color. And then I'm going to go in with my last color, which is Rosy Cheeks. And I might be able to just use the edge of this. And I might have to do it like this. Not so sure. That might be a little too light. But I'm liking it anyway, so I think I'm going to stick with this. Kind of like that little edge there. Okay, see how easy that was? It took about a minute and it came out really super cute. I don't know if I'm doing this justice. Let me put it on a white piece of paper. There you go. Hope that makes sense. Oh, that even looks worse. Anyway, well, it looks good. I don't know how else to tell you. Okay, I'm going to put these away real quick. If I don't put them away, I'll lose them. Tell you what, I spend weeks trying to find my stuff. Okay. So now I'm just going to get my glue here. And I'm using Art Glitter Glue, one of my faves. And this one I'm just going to glue these two together. Okay. Sorry guys, I forgot to bring this out. I'm just going to burnish that in. I don't know if it's me or this looks a little blurry, but let me move this out of the way. Okay. that is our little index card. Super cute. I hope Debbie loves it. And we will be back next time with a birthday card for Debbie. As a matter of fact, because this is also her birthday celebration. All right. Thanks, guys.